Network Entertainment.
Welcome to Lecheng Pag-ibig To.
New episode every Wednesday.
Good shit!
Eto na tayo mga ka-good shit. Welcome back to our podcast.
Oh,
At
man.
may letter sender tayo agad. So
Okay.
medyo mahaba yung letter niya kaya di ko na patatagalin to.
There are a lot of letters coming in, but we appreciate all of them. Send them through Instagram, through Facebook Messenger, a bunch of voice to reach us. So send nyo lang. We'll hopefully get to all the letters.
Yes.
Okay.
Tago na lang daw natin siya sa pangalang Ann. Nakaka-nosebleed. Englishan to. Sabi niya, Hi Samoy G and Chacha. I have a very complex and somewhat lengthy story that I'd like to share. Starting from the beginning up to the present. It's about my 4-year relationship. I'm not sure if you'll have the time to read everything or consider discussing this one on your podcast. Right now, I'm feeling so many emotions. I'm not just lost, I'm ashamed, in pain, and trapped. Kahit sa panaginip, this weighs on me. It's haunting. Let me start by introducing myself. I'm Anne. I come from a very strict and conservative family where dating wasn't allowed until after college graduation.
Doon pa lang, relate na ako. Carry on. Carry on.
Iniwala kayo dito. Uy! Because of that, I never had a boyfriend. When I finally started dating post-graduation, I wasn't even sure if I was ready. Then out of nowhere, a guy I had a huge crush on back in college messaged me and it gave me butterflies. However, things didn't go as I'd hoped. We were inconsistent, and in an attempt to play hard to get, I ended up pushing him away. He ghosted on me December 2019. I found out he was already in a relationship. Fast forward to January 2020, just a month later, my picture from our year-end party started gaining some attention online within our company. Sabi nila, I look good daw. That's when someone else showed interest in me. Initially, I dismissed them, thinking, di ko naman type, this won't go anywhere. This person, however, was in a higher position than me at work and had many influential connections. At that time, I was planning to apply for a promotion and I felt pressured to accommodate their advances because of the company's politics. Despite saying no at first, I eventually gave them a chance. To my surprise, I realized it wasn't such a bad idea. Dami naming similarities, and for a while, I felt special. This person showered me with attention, something I never got from the guy who ghosted on me. At the time, I was heartbroken, and this new person made me feel beautiful again. When all this happened, it was 2020 during the pandemic. Everyone was locked down and communication shifted online. This allowed our conversations to deepen, and unexpectedly, my feelings for this person grew. I ended up...
Pandemic, tapos nag-lockdown.
Dami talaga nagkain.
Landian.
Totoo. Alam mo yan. I ended up doing something I swore I'd never do. I fell in love with someone of the same sex.
Oh! Oh!
Growing...
Damn!
Oo.
I
So,
like
doon
this.
niya na-discover na nung pandemic. Na-realize niya kung sino talaga siya.
Carry on.
Growing up, I always had crushes on boys. I dreamed of falling in love with a man, but with her, something changed. I decided to let go of my preconceptions and believe that love is love, regardless of gender or identity. Love wins. Tama. We spent more time together and she courted me for a year. I said yes a day after her birthday. The first year of our relationship was wonderful. I experienced companionship, partnership, and intimacy in a way I never had before. It felt amazing to explore things I'd only hear about, seen, or read. However, there was a noticeable age gap between us. She's older than me, and it became more apparent as our relationship progressed. By the second year, I started feeling like this difference was holding us back, especially in areas like intimacy and energy. Nasa age ako that I want to be wild. I want to explore and fully experience my sexuality.
Ano ulit name nito?
Anne.
Tinatanong ko lang, carry on.
Ba't kilala mo siya?
What?
But instead, I felt restricted.
Nakarinig lang kayo ng wild, ang gugulo nyo.
Oh, kayo talaga. Over the next 3 years of our relationship, madalang kami mag-sex. Maybe once in those years. Okay. May mga kilala akong ganito na pag-usapan na natin. Nasa isang taon, maswerte na yung isang beses. I put in the effort, booking fancy hotel stays, wearing lingerie.
With the
girl. Teasing her, seducing her. Pero laging may reason kung ba't hindi niya gustong gawin.
May details ba tayo ng pagtitis na yan?
Video. Roll VTR.
Roll
VTR.
Roll VTR.
Oh, teka. Basta lagi daw may dahilan.
Magtitis.
Laging busy with work, too tired, or
sinasabi
lagi lang
ko.
nasa PlayStation. Ako,
Ayun,
alam
ako.
panira talaga ng buhay ang PlayStation na yan. Kaya nga bibili ng bagong PlayStation yung mga jowa.
Valorant.
O bukala na paghahalataan. Eto na nga. By the second year, I broke down and I told her how I felt. I cried as I explained that I have a very high libido and wanted more from our relationship. At least honest. Ganun dapat, di ba? She apologized and even tried to address it. She bought pills to boost her libido. May ganun pala. May ganun pala.
Hindi ko na. Alam ko yung
Tapos may ganun ako kay Sam.
Alam ko yung mga Viagra. Pero
kita, hindi niya alam. Hindi niya po kailangan ng pang-increase ng libido.
Alam ko pampatigas ng bird pero hindi ba yung pampalibido that's for...
For the girls?
Oo. But libido kasi is, that's a hormone. Diba?
Kasi
Hindi, libido is, ano yan, sa hormones
it's a
yan.
hormone.
I mean, hormones siya. Hindi siya ang Viagra si pampatigas. Pero kailangan...
Wala bang libido yung boys? Di ba meron din
Meron
kayo?
din, yun nga. Sabi nga, ang pills kasi for the guys, if I understand right, you take it to get hard, but it doesn't make you horny. Yun. Para malinaw.
Really?
Ang libido kasi related din sa pagiging horny.
Wait lang, that's surprising. Tumigas pero hindi ka na-area?
No, kailangan nga, horny ka pa
Teka,
rin.
nalito ako, Sam.
Oh.
So, yung para sa lalaki, ititake mo,
Pero
matigas, pero hindi yun pampahorny? So,
no,
pwedeng matigas?
Viagra will not make you horny.
Pwedeng matigas pero hindi ka horny? Di ba pag matigas, horny ka na nun?
Kailangan maging horny ka pa rin. That's my point. Diba? Pwede kasi kahit mag-Viagra
Nililito ako ni Doc Sam.
Hindi, kahit
Doc Sam!
Kahit magsampung Viagra ka, if your libido is down or hindi ka na horny, hindi rin gagana yun.
Wow. Astounding. Astounding!
Tama ba?
Hindi ko alam. Sorry, hindi ko naman, wala naman ako noon. Hindi naman ako nakapag-Viagra. Pero ito. So, ito nga, nag-take ng pills. Nag-effort. Nag-effort yung girlfriend to take the pills. She apologized and even tried to address it. She bought pills to boost her libido. But she never took them.
Para naka-display.
Even now, they are still sealed.
Oh.
Recently, she went on a week-long with her friends. Week-long trip. It's day 3 of her trip, and I feel myself falling deeper into the idea of finding someone and breaking up with her for good. What scares me is that I no longer feel regret about letting her go.
Kumbaga,
Okay na.
sabi nga nila, walang pagkain sa rep. So, sa kapitbahay, baka may laman yung rep.
Para kang pusa nun.
Oh, hindi.
Para kang pusa.
Hello sa mga chowking dyan.
Chowking?
Anyway.
Okay. Ano mga terms ito eh. To be honest, I've already tried breaking up with her 2 or 3 times. The main reason has always been my unhappiness with our sex life and my desire to explore more. But each time she wouldn't accept the breakup, promising to try and fix us. Then, when she initiated a breakup later, I refused. I told her, if you didn't let me leave back then, why should I let you leave now? Uy.
Parang nagkakagantihan.
Nagkakagantihan na.
Parang noon, ikaw naman na hindi pwede umalis.
Her reason for wanting to break up was because she felt I changed when I started earning more than her. She said I acted like it went to my head. And she didn't like how I treated her. That hurt me, so immediately humbled myself to make her stay. Now through...
Sorry pero feeling ko medyo, yun, may psychological, papagilty kita. Something like that. Yung reverse psychology.
Reverse psychology niya.
Papagilty kita, ikaw, yumabang ka na.
Correct.
So ikaw naman, parang you end up feeling bad. When in the first place, masama na loob mo. Ngayon, ikaw kasalanan mo. Tama,
kasalanan mo.
Right.
Reverse psychology nga.
Kasi yung psychology na-reverse Carry on.
Nililito niya ako.
Kaya nga reverse psychology, binaliktad yung
Now, though things are different, while she's away, I made a mistake. I engaged in a sexual phone call with a man. Hindi, phone call lang kaya. Teka, basahin kasi natin.
Alam ko hindi nakakabuntis yan.
Hindi. Pero nakakalibog.
Oo, yun.
Okay. I didn't enjoy it, but I couldn't back out once it started. Yun naman daw niya na-enjoy.
Kasi tayo.
I just let him finish, and then it ended. No more communication with this guy. Kasi alam ko, committed ako. It's a sin. And I feel ashamed.
Okay.
The truth is, I've always told her I wanted to try being with a man. But that's something she can't accept. My family and friends love her because generous siya, funny, smart, and caring in many ways. Just not in the bedroom. What also hurt me was finding out what she said about me to her friends. When she wanted to break up, I saw messages where she talked negatively about me. She mentioned how I didn't give her enough money, even though I've been consistently giving her money for over half a year now. She's been unemployed for almost a year, and I even added an extra 5K on top of what I had been
5K.
giving her. 5K per month ito. Tsaka hindi, ito na eh. Umaasa na sa'yo, tas di ka pa masaya sa sex life nyo. Nandun na siya. Ayun na yung problema niya. I haven't tried checking her phone since then because she changed her password. And honestly, I don't want to hurt myself anymore. I'd rather save myself from discovering things that would only cause me more pain. Now I feel stuck. I know I've made mistakes, but I also know that I want, and it's not this. What should I do?
May kanta dyan si Pussycat Dolls, di ba?
Ano?
I wanna stalk with you, my baby.
No, love me better. I must stick with you forever.
Pero bad sticking tong nangyayari.
Ibang stick to.
Sticky situation to.
It's a sticky situation na gusto mo na labasan pero di mo malabasan. Pero in the first place, ang gusto ko malaman, ba't tayo mo labasan? Pwede naman.
Kasi nga, nagpa-reverse psychology tong si Girlie. Kaya ngayon, ang feeling nitong si Ann, siya yung may kasalanan. Pag siya kumalas, siya yung may kasalanan. It's on her. Tapos, I get the fact also na, niligawan yung friends, family mo. So, lahat, love na siya.
Oo,
so, ngayon, if you break up with her,
kasalanan mo.
sira ulo ka pala eh.
Pero ako, ang naiisip ko dito, base dun sa, para may magawa naman ako.
Yung brains mo, para pagkanahin mo.
Wow, ang naisip ko dito, Papi, pakiramdam ko, sinasabi niya kasi doon sa sulat niya, gusto niya matry sa lalaki.
Correct. But
So
correct me if I'm wrong.
You love the person, but you're not enjoying your sex life with this person. So parang the back of your mind, gusto mo lang i-try. No. Gusto mo i-try kung ano mafe-feel mo pag sinubukan mo.
But, sorry just to get back to the point, before she developed a relationship with a girl,
Nakaka-crush siya.
Kaya nga, pero gaya naman talaga yung original, di ba? She was really straight.
Oo.
And then pandemic, did I get the story
Pandemic
right?
hits?
Pandemic
Tama.
hits, she went
Correct,
with the girl,
correct.
and now she's going back to
Correct.
the bird.
Hindi niya sure kung going back siya to the bird.
Gusto lang niya
Ma-try.
Oo.
Pero dahil wala pa siyang experience ever with a guy, sexually.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Wala pa.
But ngayon, na-curious na siya.
Curious siya. Kasi nga, mas malayo din yung agwat ng edad nila. So parang yung partner niya nandun na sa edge ng, nasa era na siya na, hindi na ako masyado mahilig. Siya naman, nasa wild stage siya. Di siya mapagbigyan.
Ako,
Hirap, no?
Ako, exit frame. An exit frame.
Why?
No, because also, it's not just the fact na...
Not just about the sex.
Oo.
Hindi lang yung sex thing.
The mere fact na hindi ka na masaya.
Yun na nga.
Number 2, you still wanna explore. That's a bit dangerous.
Oo, yung nasa relationship ka.
You know yourself.
Pero di ba kasi minsan, Sam, nasa relationship tayo, nasa utak natin we want to explore, pero di naman natin ginagawa.
Well, sa bagay. Totoo yan.
Diba? Paano kung yun lang siya?
Sa akin kasi I'm putting more weight on everything that happened.
Lahat na.
Oo. If that's the situation lang na parang it's just crossing your mind, okay, sige, ano lang to, baka tinamaan ka lang ng libog or something. Okay, let it go. But this, I'm considering everything that's happened, so far. No? And also...
Hi, guys. We are the Eavesdrop Podcast. My name is Francesca.
My name is Jelly.
This is Delamar.
This is Jude. What's up?
Yeah, and we are inviting you to check us out, your fellow TPN podcast.
And if you want to learn more about life, what's happening around us, you want to know about love, healing, this is the podcast you should be listening to.
Eavesdrop, 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 eavesdrop. Sometimes we get drunk and do the show. Those are the fun ones.
Like today.
Ooh, why? Who's drunk?
Like right now.
You're red as a bug.
Am I? Eavesdrop, please catch it. 4 hosts going crazy. You'll have fun. You'll cry. Everything else. So please check it out. The Eavesdrop.
Only on the Pod Network.
I'm sure there's, a little check also on your end, Dan. Baka meron ka rin nagagawa na hindi siya happy about.
Oo
No?
nga eh.
Baka lang hindi natin alam. So,
Correct.
self-check also. But,
Pero kasi,
the mere fact na ilang beses mo na trinay mag-break, Tapos, nung gusto niya mag-break, ikaw naman ayaw mo. Of course, there's love there, there's care there, somewhere there. Pero, mas concerned ako sa fact na parang it seems like she's unhappy already.
She is.
Oo.
Oo,
More than
pakiramdam ko rin.
libog, more than wanting to explore whatever, it's being unhappy. And it's better for me to be single than to be with someone na unhappy.
Oo naman. Tama
Mas stressful
naman.
yun,
Correct. Oo. Kaya lang kasi, hindi ko masabi sa yung iwan mo na kasi hindi ka rin ganun kasigurado kung ayaw mo na ba talaga or you just want to explore. Sometimes we're in a
paano
relationship
pag ganun?
yun na
Paano
nga
pag
eh.
ganun?
How will you know if
No, and what are you gonna do? Let's say you're in a relationship.
And
Gusto mo mag-explore.
and
ano
another
gagawin mo?
thing,
have to be fair to the person.
hindi rin nag-exert ng effort yung partner mo to satisfy you.
Yun nga.
Eh alam mo na gusto mo to.
Correct. That's why, hindi. Pero
Kaya kaya may point din si Sam na, alis na.
oh,
Tama na.
diba? Kasi for
I mean,
me,
why be with someone na hindi ka mapapaligaya or
Oh.
hindi mabibigay kung
if
ano yung
that's
gusto
what
mo.
really matters to you, if it's such a big thing for
point.
you, diba? Kasi iba-ibang tao, iba-iba naman nagmamatter eh.
And at this stage, you are in your
that-
explore era.
Oo. And you know yourself better than
Wala
anyone.
ka pa dun sa era na gusto mo na mag-settle down.
Correct. So I guess it's good to list down things that
Saan
are
ba ako?
super,
Anong gusto kong gawin? Oo.
Nasaan ba tayo muna ngayon?
Oo. Ano na ba, sa edad na to, ano ba yung gusto ko ma-achieve? Gusto ko ba magpaka-wild? Pwede
O,
naman.
paka-mild.
Ganda.
Pwede ka mag-wild, pwede ka mag-mild.
Gusto mo magpaka-wild o magpaka-mild?
Diba?
Another quotable quote from Sam YG.
Good shit. 2 joints.
Pero I mean, it's actually true. Kasi may mga ganun talaga tayo sa buhay natin. Ay, ko di naman. Anong edad
Oo nga.
ka tumigil sa pagpapaka-wild?
Ano ba?
Ay,
I'm
lahat
32
tayo, wag
now,
tayo.
so 28. Ano?
Tayo. 32 I mean, hindi man lahat, pero I'm sure karamihan sa atin, dumadaan tayo dun sa kaputukan era.
Everybody goes through it.
Kaputukan stage.
Like I said, it's a
Harot, lande.
hormonal thing. Like, it goes up and down. There are phases.
That's
from
why,
up,
yung
down,
issue, up, down. Yun
down.
yung issue kay Maurice and Anthony Jennings.
Oh,
Yung
yeah.
sakal,
Oh, yeah.
na may cheating issue
Oo.
and then someone asked me, anong comment
your take?
mo? What's your take? Kala mo, una parang, siguro kung bata-bata ako, judge ko agad, cheating, manloloko, mga hayop, mga
tama,
ganyan.
gandang point yan.
Kung bagets ka, di ba?
But now,
But you know,
looking at
dahil
the-
alam ko na dadaan talaga ang tao sa kaputukan era.
or yung gusto mo na exciting.
Yeah, I'm
Diba?
not saying it's
Ano yung
right.
smoke and... sorry.
Smoke and that's it, the F word.
Good shit. Okay.
Hindi ko sinasabing lahat dadaan doon, pero hindi ibig sabihin dumaan ka doon, masama kang tao.
Oh, and it's like I said, phases of life.
Phases of life.
Some people go through it. Some people don't go through it. Some people have it earlier
Ano mas
in
okay,
life.
yung gumaw ka or hindi ka nag-go sa ganyang phase?
Ako sa akin, if you can, sana yung pagdaanan mo lahat ng phase of life na kailangan mo daanan.
For me, sana dumaan ka doon. Para pagdating ng time na magsisettle down ka na, wala kang what if na, what if trinay ko yun?
Oo.
Kasi na-try mo na lahat.
Also, like, it's like going out, diba? May stage na parang, tara, let's go out every night, let's party, Like ako, I'm happy, like, dumaan ako sa phase na yun. So ngayon, parang, hindi na ako atat lumabas. Parang masaya na ako steady sa bahay.
Correct. Natikman mo na lahat
Ay,
eh.
hindi naman sa ganun. Pangit pakinggan yun. Pero, alam mo yun, gusto na natin sabihin na, alam mo yun,
I mean, nasubukan mo. Hindi man
You know what
lahat.
it feels
pero
like,
yes,
what-
that's it.
when
O baka naman
experience
kasi
mo na.
akala nyo natikman, nagdroga-droga or whatever. No, not that thing.
So, now that you're in a different phase of life, or the next, whatever chapter it is, and this goes out to everyone, whatever chapter of life you're in right
Yeah.
now, we all go through different chapters. And it's sometimes nga, malilipasan ka ng chapter, or tapos na yung chapter, hindi mo man lang malalaman na tapos na pala.
Pero meron din mga pagkakataon
Let's say,
na...
ikaw, dumaan ka sa biking chapter. Diba?
Oo, yeah.
Parang, it could even be a sport. Like whatever, ngayon, usong-usong yung paddle,
No,
Spanking.
but I still like biking now. Pero meron akong ira na talaga, kakancel ko yung racket
Yes.
for biking.
Boom.
And then
Diba?
I realized,
Every day, I'm so into this.
ito lang gagawin ko.
Ako, I had that with like motorcycles also at once. Every other day, ride, gising maaga.
Hindi ka napapagod, no?
Oo, parang hindi ako
Parang
napapagod.
yung energy mo laging meron.
But that was also a chapter of life. Ngayon nga, I was telling Esa, baka benta ko na yung isa sa mga motor kasi
PM is the key, papi. Sabi ni Mike.
Ay, talaga ba? Ay, hoy,
Baka
papi.
makakuha tayo ng good price dito sa good shit nito.
No,
Pero,
but seriously, yun nga, na-realize ko, na I'm looking, parang shit, last year, ilang beses ko ba nagamit yung motor? I guess not anymore. But at one point, I was using it every day. Diba? Like,
na parang feeling mo hindi ka magsasawa.
Oo.
Yeah,
Parang imposible magsawa ako dito.
Parang yung party era nung iba.
Correct.
No? Na
Yan.
parang, huy.
Nightlife. Oh.
Oo, kasi yung asawa ko, super party boy.
Dati.
So, malala. As in like,
kumakaraoke sa kama. Nakikita
Pero
ko,
ito yung...
si Lexi na yung kinakantahan na nakakalasing.
Diba?
Ha?
Diba? Exactly.
Ganda
Pero,
nun.
ito,
I
you know
love
what's
that video.
weird?
Oh.
Nakaka-bad trip. Super party boy niya. Siya nag-introduce sa akin ng mga bar. Hindi ako marunong uminom. Siya yung party boy na hindi umiinom. Iced tea lang siya forever. So, lalasingin lang niya yung kasama niya. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung next niyang gagawin. Okay? Consensual naman, guys. Okay? So, ngayon, ako yung pipilitin ko siya.
Labas tayo.
Labas tayo. Inom tayo.
Oo.
Or kahit sa bahay, wine tayo.
Ay, ayan,
So,
si Hesa ganyan.
Ayaw niya.
Si Hesa before, first date namin.
Ayaw niya.
First date namin, ano yan? Tequila lang. I only drink tequila. So, parang, okay, what do you want? Ganyan. Ako nang parang, my God, di ako inom ng tequila. Kasi
Pero,
whiskey ako. Whiskey, smoky.
Pero napainom ka.
Oo, ngayon, tapos may face na puro tequila lang iniinom ko. Tapos ngayon si Esa, ayaw niya ng tequila.
Nagsawa
Nag-wine
na.
naman siya.
Oo.
So parang, like I said, whether it's drinking, going out, a
Chapter
sport,
ng buhay.
a hobby, it's a chapter of your life. Minsan you go, you wanna go out, tapos after a while, bahay muna ako, ayoko muna lumabas for a few months. Tapos, tatama ka ulit ng bug na siya, gusto ko ulit lumabas. And these things happen. Gusto mo mag-bike ulit, babike ulit ako, na ganahan na naman ako eh. Sali na naman ako mga triathlon. Kasi nabuhayan na naman ako.
May ganun ka, di ba? Triathlon era mo.
And that's life. We don't know what's gonna be exciting for us in the next 5 years.
True.
Diba? What's gonna be, but if you know that you're still in that stage, relationship-wise, let's zero in on relationships now, that hindi ka pa ready to settle down. I like what you said. You know to yourself that you are not ready to settle down.
Nasa wild era ka
Nasa wild ka pa, you still wanna, gusto mo pa ng
wanna explore.
Ayaw mag-order ng isang thing sa menu, gusto mo yung sampler.
Para matry mo
Matry
lahat.
mo lahat.
Correct. At makita mo anong gusto mo doon.
No judgment.
I agree.
But
No judgment.
it's just a matter of being fair to your partner and saying that, okay, to be honest, it's selfish, yes. It's selfish, yes. But sometimes you need to be selfish.
Para mahanap mo yung sarili mo.
Yes.
Para malaman mo kung anong gusto mo.
Whether it's, having time for yourself, saying no to people who invite you out. Tara, labas tayo.
It's okay to say no.
Kasi
Ilang
mga loob
beses
mo,
ba sasabihin
hindi ka naman sumasama lagi. Diba? Hindi si Chacha, hindi naman sumasama to lagi. Invite na ako na invite. But sometimes you have to say no to one thing. You have to be selfish to find yourself. Tama yan.
Yung sinasabi mo kanina na chapter lang yan ng buhay natin. Okay kunwari, dumaan ka sa party era, ang mahirap yung iba na hindi na nakakalabas doon.
Like, there are also people like
There
that.
are also people who are like that. Well, sabi nga natin, no judgment. Kung saan sila masaya, na hanggang ngayon, stuck pa rin sila sa era na yan, okay lang naman yun. But with you really need to ask yourself
First,
kung gusto ko pa ba to?
Ano ba?
I think
Nasaan
that's
ba?
number one. Gusto ko pa ba talaga to?
Am I
Or
still
ginugusto ko lang to kasi naaawa ko sa kanya kasi jobless siya ngayon eh.
Or people will get
Am
mad
I-
at you. Family and friends.
Or minsan, di ba may ganun tayo,
Awa factor.
hindi mo na mahal pero naaawa ka kasi kasama mo to.
May
nung
term for
simula.
that. May psychological term for that also.
Ano yun?
Nakausap ko yung mga psychologists, no? Pero hindi pa siya nag-reply sa akin.
Oo.
Tuloy lang tayo.
Mamaya ulit. Oo, pero yun nga minsan may ganun tayo, 'di ba? Ayaw na natin sa bagay na to. Pero tinitiis natin.
Yeah.
Kasi parang pakiramdam natin, sometimes comfort.
Or
sanay na tayo,
sayang naman.
Sayang, tagal na
Nag-invest na ako ng
It's always
dito.
like that, sayang. Or minsan naman, kaawa, pabangunin ko muna siya bago ko siya iwan. May mga ganon. May mga mababait bago ka iwan. Di ba? Pababangunin ka muna ng slide kasi kakaiiwan.
I remember, I used to be like that.
Alin kayo, nang iiwan or yung
Hindi, yung papa-dinner muna ako ng maganda bago ko breakan.
Sam, that is not good.
Pa-delete na lang nun.
Pero okay lang din. Naisip ko kasi.
Gago, syempre, mature pa ako nun.
I-Wolfgang mo muna bago mo kayo break.
Pag winulpag
Parang
na
okay
kita,
din yun.
pag winulpag na kita, alam mo, may breakan na kita. In
Kaya
2
kung di
weeks.
ka madalas winu-Wolfgang ng jowa mo, medyo kabahan ka na.
Kabahan ka na. In 2 weeks, may letter of notice ka na.
So ngayon iniisip ko, ano
Eviction.
bang mas okay? Yung iniwan mo na lang bigla o pinatikim mo muna ng masarap bago mo iniwan?
Or you know what's dangerous? Also, naisip ko lang, ang delikado rin dyan is that sa sobrang hindi ka na sige, naawa ka ganyan. Gumawa ka na ng kalokohan kasi nga
during the relationship.
Kasi nga hindi ka maka-exit. So, you said like, fuck it. Let me just do what I want to do, and then it becomes a bigger mess.
I think yan yung issue with, yun nga, babalik tayo doon, Maurice and Anthony Jennings, sa may jowa pa, tas tumikim ng iba, but then again,
Kasi let me just scratch the itch, di ba? Kamot-kamot lang naman to, tapos mawala naman
or
yan.
baka di naman mahuhuli. May ganun tayo,
oo.
pag di tayo mahuhuli, gagawin natin.
Oo.
Kung gusto nyo maglande, kung gusto mo magpaka-wild, iwan mo muna siguro yung partner mo.
There's a way to do it to
Kasi
be fair to everyone.
Parang it's okay to explore kung single ka. Pero if you're in a relationship, bago mo gawin yung gusto mong gawin na alam mong hindi tama nang nasa relasyon ka pa, wag muna. Tiis-tiis ka te.
Ano yun, you can't have your cake, you can't have the
And
cake
eat it too.
and eat it too.
Oo.
Pili ka.
Kung sana pwede, pero hindi
walang
pwede.
mali sa gagawin mo Basta walang mali if you make the
If
right
you're
choices.
single.
And then also if you do it the right way.
And-
May magagalit, pero at least ginawa mo yung tama.
Tsaka tama yung sinasabi mo kanina, if you do this, malaki yung chance, you'll discover yourself more, you'll know yourself more, mas alam mo na kung ano ba talaga, gusto ko ba sa babae, same sex ba, relationship na gusto ko, or opposite sex.
Now, of course, to expand that, maybe natatakot ka rin na, shit, pag breakan ko to, baka makahanap ng iba. That's the risk of life. That's the risk of
Huwag
life.
kang unfair. My
Hindi ka rin pwede teka, explore lang ako, hintay ka lang dyan, babalikan kita after 3 months.
Kakairita sa lahat, di ba?
That's where it becomes unfair. But life is
Not be
also
unfair.
like that. No, that it's a risk. You let something go. Will somebody better come along? We don't know. We don't know.
You don't know.
That's the risk you have to take. And these are, like we said, you have to go back to yourself, ask ano ba talaga gusto mo, ano ba goal natin dito, nandyan na ba tayo sa gusto natin mag-commit, gusto mo mag-explore, ikaw wala makakaalam yan. And we all have to go back sometimes to the books, to ourselves, to realize where are we in life. Whether it's a hobby, a goal, a phase in life.
Relationship.
Diba? Do you want kids? Do you want to be married? Do you want to propose? Lahat to. Kailangan natin tanungin sarili natin. Ready na ba tayo?
Sabi mo nga kanina, kailangan tanongin mo sarili mo, gusto mo ba maging wild or gusto mo maging mild?
That is the way to go. Diba? And we hope we were able to help you at least, navigate through this situation you're going through right now. But thank you so much for writing us. Thank you to all the Lechanatics. Make sure to hit the subscribe, follow
Follow
button.
us here on Spotify, please.
So, bagong episodes, ma-alert kayo. Hopefully,
And I'd like to ask our listeners, kayo, nasa ang era kayo ngayon ng buhay nyo? Nasa mild ka ba or nasa wild? Siyempre, alam niyo naman kami ni Papi, nasa mild na kami. We're both married.
Siyempre, oo. Ay, nako.
Teka lang, bakit parang...
Hindi, napaisip ako kung ano gagawin. Hindi, napaisip lang ako.
Bakit
Kung saan ako
ganun naman yung
magkakape
buntong
mamaya. Yun lang
hininga?
naman iniisip kung saan tayo magkakape.
Oh,
Thank you for
ikaw
joining us once again. My name is Sam YG.
And this is Chacha.
Good shit ko.
Bye-bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.